Hey everybody, Patrick Bennett from Txnlabs. I'll just say this thing has been pretty fantastic, and I've been able to do some coding, not as much as I'd like because there's so many sessions. But this is something I kind of started on a little bit before I came here on the flight. Maybe I'll do a little bit on it, but something we're working on that I just figured it'd be kind of nice to have some type of a token drop contract. Basically, you'll be able to, let me switch over here, you'll be able to, basically anybody will be able to send assets to just a dump contract, define a bunch of criteria for anyone to claim from it. Users will be able to only claim once, and then what's kind of cool is you'll also be able to define, like this is what you define for the token drop info, amount per claim. You could say, I want to send like 1 million, each user can claim 1,000 at a time. A user can only claim once, but you can also define gating requirements. So you could say, I want anyone that has a segment of this NFT to be able to claim, anyone that has an asset created by this account. There's a bunch of different criteria. And it's mostly it's the same gating you see in Ready. And then, it's basically, should be pretty straightforward really. Most of it's written. But you opt in the asset to the drop contact, send it the assets, create the drop with all the information. Then at that point, anybody can claim, they can only claim once. You can define an expiration time, so it's either all tokens are sent out or it hits its expiration. And then once it expires, if for whatever reason there's tokens still remaining, the creator can basically refund themselves. Actually, and then anyone can call that. And then because there can only be one drop active per asset, and because it could have thousands of assets active, and then at the same time, like once it expires, someone can clean it up, unless someone issues a new drop for the same asset, which will automatically clean it up. So pretty straightforward. There's some kind of awkwardness with MBRs, but should be pretty nice, and that'll be in the repo soonish. It's just called Token Drop. Thanks.